Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with 1/8, 5x11 sheet, align edges and press a sharp centerline fold. Start the nose by folding down 1/2 to form a 1/2 inch guide because a tight nose stabilizes flight. Once the guide is in place, make symmetric wing base folds, mirror both sides exactly. Keep your thumb pressure firm when creasing to lock layers. These first steps set proportions and balance, so move steadily and correct small misalignments now rather than later. Next, shape the wings by folding double-layer panels with a 45-degree sweep to mimic the F-16 planform. This gives both lift and scale. You then sculpt the vertical tail, fold a narrow triangle and trim slight curves at the base to represent intake contours. These affect stability. Once done, reinforce the fuselage spine by tucking a 1/8-inch strip into the center seam. Make sure to keep symmetry. Small asymmetries will cause turns. Smooth each crease so airflow is consistent. For final assembly, add winglets and a light 0.5G nose weight for forward center of gravity. This prevents stalls. Adjust elevators with tiny up or down bends to achieve level flight and perform glide tests of 5 to 10 ft. Observe climb or turn tendencies. If the model banking or turning right, move the nose weight left by about 1/16 inch or tweak winglet dihedral. Small tweaks make a big change. Once balanced, you'll have a stable paper F-16 replica ready to fly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.